Hazrat Qais bin Muslim reports that Abu Jafar said, "There was no house family of an emigrant, but they cultivated the land on lease for one third and one fourth of yield." Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu, Hazrat Saad bin Malik radiyallahu anhu, Hazrat Abdullah bin Masood radiyallahu anhu, Umar bin Abdul Aziz, Qasim, Urwa bin Az-Zubair, all family Abu Bakr, Ale Umar, Ale Ali, and Ibn Sirin would cultivate. Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz made a deal with the people on this condition that if he provides with the seeds, the half of the yield will be theirs, or vice versa. Hassan says there is no harm in it if the land belongs to one person and both spend on it, and both may divide whatever the yield is. Zuhri too thinks so. Hassan says there is no harm in picking the cotton on the condition of getting half of the yield. Ibrahim, Ibn Sirin, Atta, Hakam, Zuhri and Qatada says there is no harm in giving cloth to be woven in exchange for one third or one fourth of the cloth. Memar says there is no harm in giving cattle on rent after fixing a specific period of time. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu reports the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Execute a contract for Khaybar in lieu of half the produce of fruit or crops." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to give 100 wasaq, 24,000 kilograms, to his wives, 19,200 kilograms of dates and 480 kilograms of barley. When Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu distributed Khaybar, he gave the Prophet's wives the option that if they wish, they will be given either the water and the piece of land, or their former share wasaq will be kept as it is. So some of them like to take land and some of the former share, whereas Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha liked to take land. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2328.